Hi everyone, my name is Neha, and in this class, you will be learning about another short trick in mathematics called the successive discounts short trick. Let's get started. Now, what I want you to do is imagine that you're in your favorite toy store and you're going to buy a toy from there. On your toy is written this: 20% plus 50% is off the total price of this toy. Now, what is 20% plus 50% exactly? This over here is called a successive discount. A successive discount is a discount that is off the first discount. Examples of successive discounts are 30% plus 40% of the total price of the item and 65% plus 75% of the total item. Now, if you're thinking that we should add both of these percents over here and find the total price of the total price of the toy, then you are wrong. What this actually means is we should find 20% of 50%. So let's make this only one F. 20% of 50% of the total price. So what you want to do is you want to first find 20% of the total price of that item. Then what you'll do is you'll take that value and then you'll do 50% of the total price of that value, and you should get your answer for how much you should pay for this toy in the store. Now, that can actually take quite a bit of time. So, to save time, there's one formula that we can use to find successive discounts. That formula is if we have some number of percent, let's say X% plus another percent, let's say that's Y%, then of the total price of that item, then what you'll do is, the formula is for this over here, X plus Y minus the product of X and Y divided by 100. So, for our previous problem over here, where we had 20% plus 50% of the item, of the toy, what you're going to do is, you'll do 20 plus 50 minus 20 times 50 divided by 100. Now, I'd like you to pause this video and try solving out this equation yourself. Okay, now let's solve it together. We know that 20 plus 50 is equal to 70 minus 20 times 50 is equal to 1000, because 5 times 2 is equal to 10, and you can just add both of the zeros of 20 and 50 in the end, divided by 100. This is equal to 10, and you get 70 minus 10 is equal to 60. So the actual answer is you should get 60% off the total item, not 70% off the total item. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.